The Lumina Power 11001126 Rev 9 is a laser power supply that creates a maximum output of 4,400 volts DC. These power supplies are used in a variety of charge cap laser applications. A charge capacitor power supply is a supply that maintains a high voltage charge on a large capacitive bank. The discharge to the laser is actually from the cap bank, and not the power supply. These power supplies are fairly complex and tend to self-destruct when something goes wrong, so ERD has to always perform a complete rebuild on these laser power supplies. As shown in the video, we are testing the power supply output using our own high voltage capacitor bank. We are charging the bank up to 1,800 volts of DC, which is the maximum level our cap bank can use. These power supplies are always a challenge, and ERD has extensive experience working on these particular type of power supplies.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.